Welcome back, YouTube fam. We back with another one. So, since I've got the car, I've been part of the Spektrum group. Great good bunch of guys. Shout out Spektrum group. Thanks for having me. And I've also been in touch with the previous owner. They helped put me in touch with the previous owner. And I was able to pick up the Cobb access port from the previous owner. Has some tunes on there. I'm gonna go for a 91 stage 2. I think there's also a E30, but we'll see what we can do. Also comes with the DSG2. So yeah, excited to do that. I'm about to put the car on tender right now. Battery's kind of low, and I don't trust the battery going out while it's doing its tune. So we'll go ahead and see how things go, going from stock to stage 2 straight up. ECU and TCU tune. So let's go ahead and put this on the tender. Let's see. ATM, 10 amps, 2A. Get that on here. Alright, it is green on the. Oops, I hit pause. But the charger is green, so that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and take this with me along the access port. Sorry, I'm trying to carry all this, and this is on a tripod. So do that. Hey, carbon fiber mirror caps. So we'll go ahead. A couple things we need to do. So in the car, grab the keys, just leave it in the cup holder here, and then I'm going to put the one. So I'm trying to do this all one-handed here. I'm trying to put this in here. Put it on the so you can see the little purple port here for the OBD2 connector. So we got that in there, and then we'll go over here, and since I'm fat and lazy, let me move over here. So we got that. I got my phone in my pocket. Put that down too. All right. We will. The screen went out. Okay. We will connect the access port. All right. Hope that's connected. Oh yeah, it's lit up. So that's good. Okay, instructions. Yeah, we've had an access port before. Install to vehicle. Yes, so we're going to put the engine on accessory mode. And then we are going to go ahead and install. Ooh, install the ECU and trans. Let's go transmission first. Oh yeah, let's turn the tunes off so we don't get messed up. Confirm this matches your vehicle. 7-speed DSG S-tronic. Yes. So it is loaded. And let's see what we got. DSG IS38. No. So I don't know how much of this is going to record, but the camera's overheating. Hopefully it doesn't overheat again. Please turn the ignition unit off, turn the ignition unit on position, and really press OK to continue. So we're going to go into off, and then on, and press OK to continue. Alright. Let's go in there, clear all the codes and whatnots. ECU installation successful. Turn off the ignition for 15 seconds, then back on. Select continue to install TCM. So, gonna hit that. 1, 1000, 2, 1000, 3, 1000, 4, 1000, 5, 1000, 6, 1000, 7, 1000, 8, 1000, 9, 1000, 10, 1000, 11, 1000, 12, 1000, 13, 1000, 14, 1000, 15, 1000. Then back to on. Press OK to do the TCM. Alright, let's do its thing. TCM. Yep, 7-speed. EQT TCU. Let's see, I don't think that's it. There are 18 tunes on here. I don't know why it's not going to any of the other ones. It says those are locked. Stage. This is the one I want. Huh. Let's go with this top one here. Look up what this is. I'll be back. I'm gonna turn this off so I can cool down.